a crisis, looking out for ISIS, thinking it'd be nice to find the right vices. Put up on a scope of things to come. I feel numb, insignificant, faded out. Never one to wait for fate to get started. Set the stink and just disregarded. So urbane and yet so retarded. Burn that bitter down, spit it out now.
I'm going to the charger. Nothing stopped me.
Oh my god.
Wait, you want to see the old Porsche?
Ethan,
Wrong one.
Lincoln and Ethan just fucking died. They're
They
probably
said they were leaving at 6.
Barnes.
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 Guys, it's Barnes. Do you know what I love? Guys, you know what I like? Stewart the sawdust from the walls. Wait, the new Jaguar? Like the electric one? Waymo actually.
Oh my god.
He really likes Dodge. This car's so cool.
Oh my god.
You got Barn.
No.
Breathe your absolute lungs out. We don't hear you. I call bullshit. I have proven wrong. I screamed in here a few times ago. It's the I screamed in the gray one. I know. We did not hear me? No, we didn't hear you. What if I scream in the blue one? Scream in the blue one. Wait, guys. This is your level. This is your background song.
Turn it on.
Okay. Hey, you guys been good?
Shut up.
Zing. Boy. Don't go in the park. Just
run. What the hell? Jesus Christ. I can see you too. But look at that, I got a free. Hey.
Bars. Listen to these bars.
City Wall head gasket.
Oh my gosh. This guy's here.
No.
Recorded, isn't it?
Yes, it is. This is why I need them to
All
stop.
they're gonna hear is
Yeah. No, I'm just gonna turn the audio off and tell them that I can't show this for anyone's sake. So I need to find all the BMWs. I'm gonna do one of those like search things, but BMW.
the EC counter because people saw us running from the bars. Buddy.
What? They
probably heard me scream.
They thought we thought
we killed you.
Well, stop doing that shit though, cause like, wait,
That's the last time I'm doing that.